All right, you already seen the title and the thumbnail, so you know we got fish on the menu, but we're gonna kick it up a notch with these spicy fish nuggets. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here, we have our panko breadcrumbs. We have a basa fish right here, and this is just a type of white fish. You can use any type of white fish you want. It's totally up to you. You can use red snapper, bass, whatever, and I just cut them up into like squares like this. We have an egg here. In this dish, we have some spicy flour here, milk, lemon juice, dried parsley, garlic paste, and we have vinegar right here in that dish right there. So that's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna add our vinegar to our fish along with our lemon juice. We're gonna add just a little seasoned salt. I didn't add that, but add a little seasoned salt to it, or salt if you have salt, that's fine. Just a little bit, maybe like a teaspoon or half a teaspoon. Also some black pepper. Our garlic paste. Now we're just gonna go in with our hands and get that mixed up. All right, just like that. We're gonna come behind that and sprinkle our flour. And now we're gonna get that mixed in here like that. All right, we're gonna cover this and just sit it aside for about 15 minutes. Next, we're gonna take our panko bread and we're gonna add our spicy flour in here along with our dried parsley. And we're just gonna get that mixed up. And guys, you can make your own spicy flour if you don't have already pre-made spicy flour. All you have to do is add some salt, pepper, some cayenne pepper, some red chili flakes, just to give it that spice touch to it. And this is what we have, guys. We're gonna move this aside. Now we're gonna create our egg wash by adding our eggs to an empty bowl like this, along with our milk. And we're just gonna give that a whisk like that. Just that easy. Let's continue. So now it's time to start breading our fish, and we've set up our workstations, 4 workstations, well, 3 workstations, and our pan, our resting pan that we're gonna put it on. So all we're gonna do is gonna take our fish, like this, dip it in the egg wash, from the egg wash over to the panko bread. Take your dry hand, get that baby pressed in there, just like that. Remove it, that's what we have. Gonna sit this baby right here. What you can also do too, guys, you can also freeze these. You can make them ahead of time and freeze them if you want to. That works, but we ain't freezing nothing over here. We finna get these babies in this hot grease once we finish getting them breaded. So let me finish this and we're gonna come back. All right, so now that we have all our nuggets battered, you could do one of 3 things. You could put these babies in the oven, bake them for 15 to 18 minutes on 350 degrees, or you could put them in the air fryer and let them air fry for 10 to 15 minutes on 350. Or what we're gonna do, put these babies in the fryer on 350 in this oil, and we're gonna let them cook until they're golden brown. It should take a couple of minutes, 3 to the most. Doesn't take long for fish to cook, especially because we're dealing with nuggets, all right? So let's move over to our stove. All right, so it looks like our oil is ready. I dropped just a little bit of that flour in there, and we're gonna start adding these babies in here. Try not to overcrowd it, and we're gonna just cook them in batches. All right, guys, so we're about 3 minutes in. Take a look at what we have. Look at that, man. Yes, it's time to get these babies up out of here. They're floating to the top, so we know they're good. We're gonna sit them here on this resting rack. Man, these babies looking awesome. We're gonna bring that oil back up to temperature and get the rest of them fried. All right, so we're working on our last batch right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get that out of here, man. We're gonna add this to our resting rack. We're gonna head over to our cutting board so we can get this baby finalized. All right, guys, so this is what we have right here. I'm gonna bring this baby up. Take a look at this. Man, that's awesome. That is awesome. All right, we're gonna get these babies plated up, head into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Spicy fish nuggets. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. Gotta give this a taste test. Man, this is looking good. Man, this quality control time. Let's bring these nuggets to the front of the congregation. Take a look at that. Oh, man. Ooh, look at that nugget to the front of the congregation. Bring bread right here in front of the congregation, just like this. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Let's go ahead and do, get this baby a taste test. You already know the crunch. Oh. Seasoned to perfection. Oh, man. Make you any type of dip. Get you some tartar sauce, ranch, blue cheese. Doesn't matter, you can even put some buffalo sauce on that. Them babies delicious. But me, I don't need none of that. I can eat them just like that, which I'm about to do. So guys, definitely a recipe you need to check out. Till the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace.